Squats are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, making them one of the most effective exercises for building strength, improving mobility, and enhancing overall fitness. Here are some of the key benefits of incorporating squats into your workout routine. 1. Strengthens lower body muscles. Squats primarily target the muscles of the lower body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. By strengthening these muscles, squats can improve balance, stability, and functional movement patterns. 2. Builds core strength. Squats engage the core muscles, including the abdominals and lower back, to stabilize the spine and maintain proper posture throughout the movement. This helps improve core strength and stability, which is essential for overall strength and injury prevention. 3. Enhances functional strength. Squats mimic everyday movements such as sitting down, standing up, and lifting objects from the ground. By improving strength and mobility in these functional movement patterns, squats can make daily activities easier and reduce the risk of injury. 4. Increases muscle mass. Squats are a compound, multi-joint exercise that allows you to lift heavy weights, making them highly effective for building muscle mass and strength. Incorporating squats into your workout routine can help you develop lean muscle mass in the lower body and throughout the entire body. 5. Boosts metabolism. Squats are a high-intensity exercise that can elevate your heart rate and stimulate the metabolic rate, helping you burn calories and fat more efficiently. This can contribute to weight loss and improve overall body composition. 6. Improves bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like squats are known to stimulate bone growth and improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and bone fractures, especially as you age. 7. Enhances mobility and flexibility. Squats require a full range of motion at the hips, knees, and ankles, which helps improve joint mobility and flexibility. Regularly performing squats can help maintain or increase flexibility in the lower body, reducing the risk of injury and improving overall movement quality. 8. Improves athletic performance. Squats are a fundamental exercise for athletes in various sports as they improve strength, power, and explosiveness. Incorporating squats into your training routine can enhance athletic performance in activities such as running, jumping, and lifting. 9. Promotes hormonal balance. Squats are a compound exercise that recruits large muscle groups, which can stimulate the release of hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone. These hormones play a crucial role in muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. Overall, squats are a highly effective exercise for improving strength, muscle mass, mobility, and overall health. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or enhance athletic performance, squats can be an invaluable addition to your fitness routine. Because squats work many muscle groups at once, the exercise causes your body to increase anabolic hormone production. These are the hormones that help you lose fat and build muscle. A small 2014 study specifically compared squats as a free weight exercise to the leg press, an exercise machine with added weight. While both moves work the same large muscle groups, the researchers reported that the body's response was different. When done at similar intensities, squats engaged more muscles and produced a greater hormonal and physiological response, in particular more muscle activation, than the leg press. Squats can be an important part of any successful weight loss plan. Regular strength training helps speed up your metabolism and can decrease body fat. That's because the move strengthens the tendons, bones, and ligaments around your leg muscles, and it can particularly help take some of the load off your knees and ankles. In fact, squats are used extensively for the therapeutic treatment of ankle instability. However, injury prevention only applies if you do squats with proper form. Squatting doesn't just benefit your muscles, doing squats helps your bones, too. Suchmal says squats may also help increase bone mineral density, which can strengthen your skeleton, particularly the bones in the spine and lower body. Stronger bones help the body become more resilient against injury. A small 2013 study of postmenopausal women with osteoporosis or osteopenia, conditions that cause low bone density, found that those who did 12 weeks of squat exercises improved skeletal health and bone mineral content. The findings suggest that strength training has a potential in the prevention and treatment of osteoporosis. Good posture is particularly important to counteract all of the sitting we do and also to help prevent injury. Since squats support a stronger core and strengthen lower body, your posture may improve. A small 2018 study compared the effect of planks and squats on participants. While both exercises achieved similar core activation, squats were better able to activate the muscles that help you straighten your back.